अंजुण्या वागातोर वाठारांत सध्या पार्ट्यांचो धुमाकूळ चल्ला. रात दीस व्हडा म्युजीक लावन कांय क्लबांनी थळाव्या लोकांची न्हीद पेड्यार केल्या. थळावे पुलीस आसूं वा हेर ऑथॉरिटी सगळे जाण ह्या गजालीचेर आडनदर करतात. फाटल्या शुक्रारा शेनवारा कर्लिजान आयोजीत केल्ल्या पार्टीचेर गोवा न्यूज हबान आवाज केलो आनी तेचे उपरांत ती पार्टी बंद दवरिल्ली. म्हापशेच्या उपजिल्हाधिकाऱ्यान तसो आदेश दिलो. पुणून त्याच वाठारांत आसपी बाकीच्या क्लबांनी मात उच्च न्यायालयाच्या आदेशाचें उल्लंघन करून रातभर धुमचणां चालूच दवरली. दिल्लीकारांनी चलयल्ल्या ह्या क्लबांच्या आड कोणूच कारवाय करपाक धजना.
Hello, my name is Javish and I'm from Anjuna, Vagator. When we hear the name Anjuna, Vagator, it used to be very quiet and serene place before, but now it is not, because now it has been a chaotic place, like lot of rave parties and loud music, which has become a hindrance and nuisance to the local people, particularly for the elderly and children. They are suffering the most. It is not that we have not complained to the authorities. We have complained to all the authorities like police, GSPCB, and even we had a meeting with the local MLAs last 6 months back. But everything in vain. Nothing has been changed, and everything is going the same pace as before. Sadly, when the court has given, particularly for the GSPCB, the direction to put the sound monitoring stations, till now GSPC haven't put single sound monitoring station in any of the villages, in any of the resorts or restaurants who are playing loud music. And more sadly, it is not only this loud music. Along with the loud music, there is also like drug business which is going on, because I'm sure those who are coming here in Goa, they are just not simply like listening the loud music. They are themselves involved in all type of drugs consumption, which is also affecting the local youth. My humble request to the to the Goa government to take this very seriously, because it has been like this 4-5 years after the COVID. It has become very difficult life for us to live in.
Hello, my name is Cirillo D'Souza, and I'm a resident of Price Water, Anjuna Beach, Bades, Goa. I would like to enlighten the people regarding the night pollution, the night rave parties that are going on in Anjuna. Well, this is not a new topic. This has been going on for years. And in the year 2015-2016, I was an active fighter against this noise pollution. And at that time, it was under some control. After that, after fighting a PIL in the High Court, and when the judge gave me an advice saying, the system is such that you either be part of it or you move on. Better sense prevailed, and I stopped everything. I was with my family, looking after my family, doing my works. But then I saw that these things cannot be stopped. It needs the support of all the villages. People were suffering. Elderly people not having no sleep. I am also a senior citizen. And me too. I don't get sleep. What can we do about it? I would like to tell you something regarding my fight against this noise pollution. And that during my time, I saw that it was the police station in Anjuna which was fully to be blamed. It's the PI who is controlling the police station. If he cannot keep his flock under control, who will come and do it? It is the money power that these nightclubs are throwing that's controlling all the police stations, that's controlling all the police force. Not only that, it's controlling also the local ministry, the ministers involved, and the home department. What are all these people doing? only giving false promises, but nothing happens in the end. It's only a blame game. So the only people today I would say to be blamed is the PI of Anjuna, local minister and the CM. They can bring things under control. And I hope and I pray that all my fellow villagers, we get together again and we start this fight against noise pollution. Thank you.
थळावे लोक विचारता की ही कारवाय कित्याक जायना. बारीक सारीक कारणां वेल्यान ल्हान धंदेकारांचो धंदो बंद करपी गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक हें सावंड पोल्युशन दिसना काय थळाव्या पुलिसांक रातची जाग येना ते सुस्त न्हिदलेले आसता. तुमी पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.